Partners and friends from the global innovation community, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to the second day of Tech Innovation 2021, organized by IPI. Today's program will center on the multifaceted topics about sustainable food and nutrition. A growing world population, climate change, and the pandemic has exposed the fragility of global food supply chains. Singapore imports over 90% of our food from over 170 countries. To enhance food security, Singapore has set an ambitious 30 by 30 goal to produce 30% of its nutritional needs locally by 2030. So how can we reach this target when our homegrown produce account for less than 10% with limited arable land and sea space used for farming? The role of innovation will be instrumental in addressing a host of complex issues surrounding food security, ranging from alternative food sources, food waste, and sustainable farming methods. Yet at the same time, meeting the nutritional needs and demands of today's consumers. We are very much encouraged to see the local food sector shifting their innovation agenda into high gear to meet this goal. At the same time, we are excited to facilitate the conversations and collaboration between Singapore enterprises and international innovators to bring about new solutions that have the potential to build a more resilient food future. At Tech Innovation, there is an array of technologies from our exhibitors that can support the food supply chain. Technology seekers can explore blockchain solutions for food traceability, LED light recipes to extend harvest periods, and algae platform solutions for various applications. At IPI, we work with a global ecosystem of technology providers and experts that can support the evolving needs of food enterprises in Singapore that aspire to grow their businesses through innovation. For instance, IPI facilitated a partnership between IOB, a local food distribution startup, and Food Innovation Resource Centre, in short FIRC, at Singapore Polytechnic. They have started co-developing healthier options for their date syrup and a new plant-based product to capture a new consumer market focused on healthy eating. In another example, First Gourmet, known for its award-winning restaurants like Pratawala and Zeffron Kitchen, worked with IPI Innovation Advisor Dr. Rebecca Lien, an industry veteran in the food sector. Guided by her expertise in food science, First Gourmet is able to convert their company's frozen sauces into shelf-stable products, paving the way for the company's international expansion and reducing the cold chain logistics costs. One of the key highlights today is IP Hatch 2021, a program challenge that matches technologies from MNCs with startups to give them a boost to accelerate the business. Startups are empowered with deep tech in IoT, sustainable food production, and agri-tech to bring about social and economic impact in this sector. Please make time for this interesting session at 2 p.m. Finally, thank you once again for joining us at Tech Innovation. I wish you a fruitful and rewarding day of discussions and learning.